Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're doing a 2-system change out in new construction. Here you can see the house where it's getting built for a builder friend of mine, and here is one of the units. 2-ton, that's a return. Plan, we're still not through yet. We still got a ways to go, but that's one of them. And here is the other one. This is more duct for the return. Here's the other unit here. So we put mastic for the air leaks. That way there's no air leaks. And that's the other one here as well. So then the copper lines, you can see where they go down there in the back. It's just a 2-story house. So call us for all your air conditioning, heating, and refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at abcaustinacandheating.com, okay? 24/7 service available. 365 days out of the year, okay? Thanks guys, see you in the next video, bye-bye.